So this is a quick demo of Kids Place app as a launcher. So we'll just briefly go over the launcher feature for this app. When phone is first started, it will start the Kids Place launcher app, and only parents approved apps are visible, as you can see. So parents can just select, or by default we can select just phone, contacts, calculator, clock, these kind of apps, and kids can only have access to those apps. So they can use phone, and then if they press the home button, it will bring them back to Kids Place. Same thing with calculator or clock. And if parents wants to change or give access to any other apps, they can go to settings, which is pin protected, and so that way kid cannot go in there. Only parents can go after entering pin. And right now it shows a lot more settings because our app is just not Kids Launcher. It provides the full parental control capabilities, but just for launcher's perspective, parents can go into manage apps, and this is where they can see a list of all the apps available on the device. And if they download, they can always exit kids mode and go to grown up mode and download any app from Play Store, which will be visible here, and they can add or remove. So let's say, for example, if parents wants to give access to Chrome or Chrome, or let's say our safe browser. So we could also provide a safe video player and also a safe browser. Let me see if I can find out. Safe browser, Kids Safe browser, which was already selected. So they can manage. And let's say if I want to add WhatsApp. So now if I go back, now these apps are now available in addition to the apps that we saw earlier. So this is how easy it is for parents to add it. And then again, they can launch any app. Kids will press home button, and it will take them back to the home screen. We also have a lot of other features, and I'm going to briefly give an overview about another feature, which is screen time control. So parents can go to timer, and there are a lot of options here, but they can configure how much time kids can spend, either access to the whole device. So we have a device level configuration, so they can select for day of the week how much time kids can spend, and they can block or unblock various time slots. So parents can say, hey, on weekdays, device is only accessible after 6:30 a.m. till, let's say, we'll say 8 or 9 p.m. and then rest it will be blocked. But on weekends, it's available for, throughout the night, or however parents wish they can configure. They can also configure by categories. Right now I only have home category, but parents can create games category or educational apps, social networking, however, and then control access to set of apps or category of apps via similar settings. Or, if they want to be very granular, they can say that, hey, let's say, WhatsApp is only available, only for an hour a day. And they can select, only on weekends. So it gives that kind of screen time controls access to parents. I think that should cover for the scope of this project.